Hello guys, I hope you enjoyed my previous videos about how to make money online with no investment, no social followers, no credit card put down. In today's video,
I show you how to earn $91 per hour by just watching videos. This website is accessible from anywhere in the world. First and foremost, I would like you to go to this website, zoombucks.com. Now, allow me to explain to you how this website works. Step 1. Create a free account on this site. Step 2. Select a channel that interests you. After that, start watching TV shows and videos. After that, you'll see these boxes with the words Hideout TV and Lootably on them. You'll be brought to this page, where you can watch all of the videos in the food category. This website allows you to watch as many videos as you want. To give you a bonus tip on how to maximize your income, you can watch as many videos as you like on different tabs at the same time. That way you'll be able to watch a lot of videos while doing other things. Now that you know how to make money on zoombucks.com by just watching videos, I'd like to show you another way to make money with this site, and that is by filling out surveys. On the left-hand side of your Zoombucks dashboard, you should see surveys which you should click. By doing so, you will be presented with a list of companies that offers you simple surveys to complete. Each survey will pay you 85 cents, 60 cents, $10, $3, and $5 or much more as shown here. Now if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover the laziest way to make money online for beginners, which is available worldwide.